สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone, welcome to Cook with Gift. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chocolate cracker cake. This cake is no bake cake. This cake is very easy to make it. Just 10 minutes maximum. I think it's so easy. Some people say this cake is a lazy cake. Yes, because it's so easy. Take very short time to make it. Okay, let's go. The first I will show you all the ingredients to make this cracker cake. 400 gram crackers, sugar 150 gram, cocoa powder 30 gram, water 200 ml and butter 30 gram. First I will break the cracker like this. Just break it, no need to be serious. After finish, you just put it away somewhere, and after that we will start make the chocolate sauce. Just add all the ingredients together and mix well. After that, I will simmer the chocolate over medium heat until it's done. How you know it's done? You will see the chocolate foam like this. It means already cooked. Okay, now the chocolate sauce still hot. I will add 30 gram butter and just mix well with the chocolate sauce. After that, just wait for 5 minutes to wait for the chocolate sauce to cool down. Okay, now the chocolate sauce is already cooled down. I take 5 minutes, so now I will mix it with the cracker. Just mix up. After that, I will put the cracker that I mixed with the chocolate sauce, just put in the cake pan and just chop it nicely. And I will put in the fridge for wait till the cracker is a little bit cool down. So perfect. And next I will make the chocolate cream. So I will add the cocoa powder 40 gram, sugar 85 gram, and add the fresh milk 150 ml and corn flour 35 gram. Some people just put the whipping cream with the chocolate, that also can, but I use the corn flour because corn flour is keep the cream is soft and stable at room temperatures longer than whipping cream. Now I use the medium heat for simmer the chocolate cream. If you use the too high, the heat is too high, the cream will overcook. But if you use the medium heat, is perfect. Like this, beautiful and perfect. Okay, the cream will be like this. So perfect. So after this, I will add the butter 70 gram and just mix well with the chocolate cream. And now the chocolate cream is ready. I will wait around 5 minutes till the cream is cooled down. Now the cracker already ready and the cream also cooling down. So now I will spread the cream on the cracker cake nicely. Slowly put like this. So beautiful, perfect. After this, I will add the biscuit cookie on the topping. But if you like cashew nut, peanut or chocolate chip or whatever you like, you can put it. But I like the biscuit cookie cream because the taste is very matching with the chocolate cake. And after this, I will put the chocolate cake in the fridge. Around 1 hour, I think the cake is already ready to eat. I hope you enjoy this cake. Finish! Ready to eat! Thank you everyone to watching Cook with Gift. If you like our video, please like and subscribe for more easy recipe. So see you next time. Bye bye.